Now we are going to see our first poem, The Fountain. Okay, everyone know it, The Fountain, Fawara. Okay, beta, and we have completed the 3 stanza. Okay, and I repeat the 1 stanza again, beta, because it is very important stanza. Okay, see The Fountain by James Russell Lowell. This stanza, need to say into the moonlight. Okay, this is stanza came continuously beta 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 also beta. And so it is very important stanza. Okay, and now today we are going to discuss that stanzas and the question answer. See, here our poet want to say that the into the moonlight. Everyone know it? Okay, the moonlight. Okay. See, into the moonlight, whiter than snow. Okay, snow mean to say bird. Snow mean to say bird. Whiter mean to say white or the bright. Okay, brighter than snow mean to say the fountain looks into the moonlight whiter than snow. Okay, here is the compare. This is given than, and the comparison word is the than. Mean to say how the mountain looks into the moonlight. Okay, the answer is that the fountain looks whiter than snow into the moonlight. Clear it, beta? The first question. Okay, see, and everyone know now the whiter mean to say bright, and the snow, and the color of the snow is the bright. Okay, when the moon's light fall on the mountain, that time the mountain looks whiter than snow. See the next, weaving so flower line. Weaving. Okay, weaving mean to say here beta movement. Okay, weaving mean to say movement. Okay, weaving so flower like. Okay, here is also the comparison is given. When the winds blow. Okay, when the winds blow beta, that time the fountain also move from one side to the another side. Look. Okay, see, here is the fountain. Okay, and when the winds blow beta, that time the fountain also movement. Okay, fountain move from one side to the another side. Clear it beta? And so flower like, here is given the flower. Okay, when the flower is there and winds blow, that time the flower also move from one side to the another side, and the poet compares our fountain with a flower. Okay, and when the winds blow, that time the fountain also move from the one side to the another side. See, the question is that weaving mean to say what? Okay, that the what is the meaning of the weaving? That weaving mean to say movement. Weaving mean to say movement. It is very important question beta. Okay, and when the winds blow, clear it beta. Okay, see, the question is that the first, how does the fountain looks into the moonlight? Clear it beta. Okay, look whiter than snow. The second question is that what kind of the movement does the word weaving suggest? Weaving suggests beta movement from the one side to the another side, or the to and the fro. Okay, there is another phrase also beta, to and the fro. Okay beta, clear it? Okay, to and fro. So means like. And then after the next question is, what color is the fountain into the moonlight? Color white. Okay, see, clear? It is very easy question. And here the next question is that in that question beta, what happened when the winds blow? Okay, when the winds blow, what happened? The fountain also move from the one side to the another side. Clear it beta? Okay, and last question is that from which poem has the above stanza has been taken? It is a common question, the name of the poetry and the name of the poet. Clear beta? Okay, see the next stanza. Okay, into the starlight. See, here is given the description about the fountain in all lights. Mean to say sun, in sunlight, moonlight, and the starlight. Okay, the next is the starlight. Into the starlight. Okay, rushing in a spray. Everyone know it, the rushing? Okay, rushing in a spray. Happy at midnight, happy by day. Mean to say the fountain move. Okay, fountain goes upward from morning to night. Okay, but he looks very happy at a day also, at a midnight also. Okay, and the rushing mean to say teji se daudna. Ab daudna mean to say run. Okay, here is not the run, it goes upward and the downward, and that's why our poet says that happy at midnight. Okay, our fountain looks happy at midnight also and at a day also. Clear it beta? It is very simple stanza. Okay, see, the question is that how do you know that the fountain is always happy? Okay, how do you know? how do you know आप कैसे पता कर सकते हैं कि फाउंटेन हैप्पी है और हमेशा हैप्पी रहता है? ठीक है, क्यों कर सकते हैं, कैसे बोल सकते हैं? द फाउंटेन इज जॉयफुली गोज अपवर्ड एंड द डाउनवर्ड at a day also and at a night also, and that's why we can say that the fountain is always looks happy. Clear it beta? See, fountain is a joyfully goes upward and the downward, okay, at a day also and night also, and that's why we can say that the fountain looks happy. Okay, the next question, which quality of the fountain affects the poet? Okay, which quality beta? The poets affect much the pleasure of the fountain. It always happy in all condition. Okay, which is the which quality of the fountain, okay, effects on our poet? The quality, which quality beta? Our fountain looks happy in every condition. Okay, it is very important. Here our poet want to give the message that we should also be happy in all the condition like a fountain. Clear it beta? Fountain looks happy at a day also and midnight also. Mean to say in every condition our fountain is happy. See, then next question, what do you understand by the word spray? Okay, spray mean to say what beta? Spread happiness in all direction. Spray mean to say what beta? Spread, S-P-R-E-E-D, spread happiness in all direction. Okay, it is very important word. Okay, IMP I write here. Spread mean to say what beta? Spread happiness in all direction. Clear it? The two stanzas are completed. If you have any problem beta, message me. Okay, thank you.